Dr. Sikandar Kumar ji.
Thank you, sir. With your permission, I would like to know from the Honorable Minister that how many resource center or inclusive schools has been established by the government for the disabled children, and what is the present status of these schools? Thank you.
Sir, I would take this opportunity. National education policy talks, one of the main pillars of the policy is promoting equity and access and quality. So inclusive education is a mandate for us. And accordingly, under Samagra Shiksha, there are a number of initiatives to promote the concept of inclusive education. Honorable Member of Parliament has asked about special schools. Sir, I would say the special schools are actually regulated primarily by the Department of Empowerment of People with Disabilities and along with Rehabilitation Council of India. As per our mandate in Education Ministry, we are not for promotion of special schools as much as building capacity across all schools, so that as per the philosophy of national education policy, no child is left behind. And accordingly, I would like to talk in some detail about what we are doing to actually implement the NEP with regards to access to education and quality of education for children with special needs. Sir, a number of initiatives are done. Under inclusive education component, the amount of resource that is being given, if you look at it last 5 years, including 25-26, the amount of resource has gone up by about 17%. Total of 1,413 crores in 25-26 is allocated for inclusive education. And if I talk about some of the special measures that are done, the first challenge that we face in our country is early identification and screening of children with special needs. If we look at the UDI's data of our entire ecosystem of school-going children, 0.87% are categorized as with special needs. And if you compare that with the global data, global trends, this data shows that perhaps more effort is required to be done at the foundational stage to identify these children. To do so, more than 19,000 block assessment screening camps have been organized in this country, sir. Also, teacher sensitization, orientation programs for head teachers, for parents, for even general teachers, so they are able to understand. And use of digital technology is very important. In September 2025, we have launched the Prashast App 2.0. This is a technological intervention where 22 disabilities students across different classes are to be screened. And very encouraging results have been received from this use of this technology, sir. I'll just give you the data, sir. I have it here. Total amount of screenings, 95 lakh children have been screened using Prashast app until now. And so that's one of the principal things. Also, sir, it's been 1 year under PM eVidya, channel number 31 is a free channel provided with the Indian Sign Language. And there's also been a tripartite MOU between NCERT, between the Department for Empowerment of Children, PWD, and with NIOS, where all three organizations are coming together to promote Indian Sign Languages. All of our NCERT books from 1st till 12th class are now also readable books. So we're trying to promote from a holistic approach the experience for all our students in education, and specifically a tailored approach for the specific disability as identified for every child. Thank you.